Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. In today's video, we are going to learn how to move a section up or down in the Wix Harmony Editor. So here's how you can do it. To move a section up or down in the Wix Harmony Editor, select the section that you want to work on, right-click on an empty area, and here choose to move the section down or up. Alternatively, you can also go to the Layers button right here to open the Layers panel. And here, you can simply drag and drop your section according to your preferred order. And there you have it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.